The initial process with Thermolite was smooth, it was informative, and we really liked the way we could view 3D mock-ups showing several options that were available to us. I thought we were given good advice in terms of options. For example, the recommendation to keep the full width bay window, that was definitely the right choice. The sales process we thought was patient, it wasn't at all pushy, and the price was competitive. We appreciated the benefits of the Leca building technology. For example, it was good to be able to reuse our conservatory base due to the lightweight construction approach, and we could see how the GRP frame makes for a very strong and energy efficient building approach. Plus it was good to be able to have the work done without applying for planning permission, of course. We also appreciated the option to reuse our conservatory windows and French doors. That's obviously saving in terms of both waste and cost. As for the insulation levels, well, I've got to say I thought they looked amazing, and it's great to know the roof and walls have better thermal efficiency than a new build house. And it was also good to be able to pay a little extra to upgrade the wall thickness. We added an extra 10 mil of high density insulation, so we've achieved even better levels of insulation. During the build, we found the Thermolite team to be friendly, cheerful, and they completed the build quickly with minimal mess. As for the completed project, I think it looks great. The internal plasterwork is a really high standard, and we really love the ceiling lights. I believe that this construction technique results in about 15% more floor space, but to be honest, it feels like more, because we've been amazed at how much more spacious it feels than our old conservatory. And I think being able to fully open the room to the house has also made a big difference to that feeling of spaciousness, and that the room's now a fully integrated part of the house. We're in the middle of summer at the moment, but we're very much looking forward to this being a warm and comfortable space that can be used all through the winter, unlike in the past when we closed the doors on the space for 4 months a year. Even now though, we're feeling the benefits. Our old conservatory had a heat reflective roof, but still the temperatures now are so much more comfortably consistent, and during the recent heat wave it was still cooler inside than it was outside. In terms of the outside appearance, we really like the external render. I think it gives the room a modern and contemporary look, and very much complements the original house. Yeah, so would I recommend a Leca XI extension built by Thermolite? Yes, most definitely, without hesitation.